What's up guys, and we're back with another episode of Tup Adventures. Today we're back at my local spot doing some of my favorite type of fishing, which is river fishing off a kayak. And the target species for today is of course the spotted grunters and maybe a cobby. We'll see what we can find, but first let's get some prawns. Right, just finished up pumping prawns. Got myself my 50 absolute monsters. Whew. Remember guys, you don't need to keep your prawns drowned in water. Best thing to do is just to wet them every now and then. Throw the water out and they're good to go for another few hours. All the hard work is done, launching, preparing everything. Or in saying that, I mean, not swallow my words, is the hard part to actually catch the fish. We're about to find out. Have you had any luck? Nothing yet. Oh, nice. Just a nice small J hook, nose sinker. Normally throw one on the right, one on the left, and that is good. Speed's a bit much, but it's coming tight and we have a tailwind, so we are going a bit faster than usual, faster than I would like, but what can we do? Let's see. We're on. We're on something very, very tiny. Here we go. Little bugger. Moonfish. There she goes.